Hello and welcome back to yet another episode of the Holoware Tech Podcast. I am Nazia, your host for today, and we are diving into a crucial decision that many tech users face. Should you opt for a custom-built desktop or a pre-built system? This choice can significantly impact your productivity, budget, and overall satisfaction. Whether you are a gamer, a student, or a professional, we are here to help you find the right fit for your needs. So let's get started. When it comes to choosing a desktop, the first question you need to ask yourself is whether you want something ready to go out of the box or a system that's tailored just for you. So let's first see what the pre-built desktops has to offer. Pre-built desktops are designed for users who value convenience. Imagine walking into a store, picking up a fully assembled machine and being able to set it up in minutes. That's the beauty of pre-built systems. Consider the case of Mr. Ravi, a marketing manager at a startup in Mumbai. With deadlines looming and a team that needs reliable computing power, he opted for Holoware's pre-built desktops. They arrived fully assembled and tested, ready for his team to dive right into their projects. The time saved during setup allowed Ravi to focus on what truly matters, driving his marketing initiatives and growing his businesses. For professionals like Ravi, pre-built desktops provide ease of use, reliability, and efficiency. They come with warranties covering the entire system, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or troubleshooting problems. This option is perfect for students, busy professionals, and small business owners looking for a hassle-free solution. Now, let's shift gears and talk about custom-built desktops. These systems are like a bespoke suit crafted to fit your specific requirements. If you are someone who demands high performance, customization is the way to go. Take Miss Anjali, a game developer based in Bangalore. She needed a powerful machine to handle resource-intensive tasks like 3D modeling and game design. With Holoware's custom-built options, Anjali designed a machine with an Intel i7 processor, a 32 GB of RAM, and a cutting-edge NVIDIA GPU. This tailored setup allows her to run multiple programs simultaneously without a hitch, keeping her workflow smooth and efficient. Custom-built desktops give you the flexibility to choose the exact components you need, whether it's for gaming, graphic design, or any demanding applications. This option is ideal for tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals who want their system to adapt to their unique workflows. So, how do you choose between these two options? If you are someone who appreciates simplicity, quick setups, and reliability, a pre-built desktop is likely the best fit for you. You will get a system that works right out of the box and provides solid performance for everyday tasks. And on the flip side, if you have specific performance requirements or plan on upgrading your components in the future, a custom-built desktop is worth considering. You get to handpick each component, ensuring your system meets your exact needs now and can adapt as your requirements change. At Holoware, we are proud to offer both solutions. Our pre-built desktops provide great performance and value, while our custom builds allow you to design the perfect system tailored just for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution here. It ultimately comes down to your individual needs and preferences. And if you are still unsure, don't hesitate to reach out. Visit us at holoware.co or email us at marketing@holoware.co for personalized guidance. Thanks for tuning in to the Holoware Tech Podcast. We appreciate your time and interest in technology. And until next time, this is Nazia reminding you to embrace innovation, stay ahead of the curve, and always keep learning. Take care.